Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload auto loop videos on Behance projects. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to vimeo.com and log into your account. Vimeo is essential here because it provides the embed code that allows videos to loop automatically on Behance, which isn't possible with direct uploads. For this tutorial, the video is already uploaded to Vimeo, so we'll skip the upload process. Simply locate the video you want to use and click on it to open the video page. This will give you access to all the sharing and embedding options you need. Once the video page is open, look for the share icon and click on it. This icon is usually located near the video player and opens up various sharing options. From the menu that appears, click on the embed icon. This is where you'll get the code needed to place your video on Behance. After clicking embed, you'll see an option that says customize this embed. Go ahead and click on it. This step is crucial because it gives you control over how your video behaves when embedded, including the loop function that makes your video play continuously. Now a settings panel will appear with various customization options. Look for the toggle button labeled loop and click it to turn it on. Enabling this option ensures that your video will automatically restart once it reaches the end, creating a seamless viewing experience on your Behance project. Once you've toggled loop on, click Copy Embed to copy the embed code to your clipboard. This code contains all the settings you just configured, including the auto loop functionality. Next, navigate to behance.net and open the project where you want to add your looping video. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can make changes to your project layout. On the right side of your project editor, you'll see an option labeled Embed. Click on it to open the Embed module. This is where you'll paste the code you copied from Vimeo. Paste the embedded code into the field that appears and click Embed. Behance will process the code and insert your video directly into your project with all the settings intact, including the auto loop feature. And that's it. Your video will now loop automatically on your Behance project, creating a professional and engaging presentation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.